Hello friends, my name is Anna and I'm a small business owner. I'm selling gift cards and other stationery. Today I have been testing my new designs for gift tags and stay with me, and I hope you're gonna let me know which one you like the most and which one are big no-no. My mat is not sticky anymore, but I'm not cleaning it because when it's too sticky, it's tearing some of my papers. So I prefer to use the tape than make it more sticky. It works better for me. Oops, it's not, it didn't go straight. No. All right, one more test. Okay, now it's good. All right, the second patch is ready. Why is so dark again? Okay, let's go with this side. Okay. Okay. Oops. I personally like this one and maybe this one. Let's see what else. This is kind of old school, I think. This is cute, but probably not for everybody. Maybe old school also. Cats. Who doesn't like cats? Everybody likes cats. I used to be a dog person, but now I have a cat and I'm a cat person. I don't know how it happened. Okay. I like this one, yes. This. Cat. Okay. And the outer batch comes here. This is more for Valentine's. This is double, the same one. This might be also be for Valentine's. And one more cut. You see how bad light I have, the color. It's really pretty pink color, but my camera is not doing it. Please help me, advise me something, because this video is coming out really disappointing. Okay. And now big question comes. Ribbon, string, or the yarn to use there. I will try all of them and we will see how it looks like. All right. So I will try the ribbon. Maybe, which one would you go? This one is kind of old school. Maybe here would be nice. So this is the ANEA number 1. I think it works here. All right. Maybe it would work here also with this one. All right, definitely string will go here. Okay. It does the job also, I think. And the string, no string, yarn. Yarn is quite soft. Maybe it can go on this, on the bear. All right. Okay, so those are my 3 options. I've been wondering if you can let me know which the tag string you like the most, or maybe you like all of them because they actually look good on those. So that's all for this video today. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you soon again. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.